When you have a scooter that has the handlebars covered by the fenders, it's not so easy to install the telephone mount. So the only solution is to mount it attached to the mirror, either with a screw down here or just exactly on the mirror's arm. I recommend that you attach it from the left side so you can have the throttle control with your right hand. And if you are left-handed, I don't know, I think also on the left side it's better. And we have here a system from Quadlock, very well known. These are designed in Australia. And for my scooter I have to buy the universal mount because my phone doesn't support the original case. So there is an option if your phone doesn't support the original case or doesn't have an original case provided by Quadlock, then you have this universal mount, universal adapter, which you can stick it to the back of the phone. What I did is not just using the 3M provided sticker, the adhesive. I've used an additional Moment adhesive to be stuck real tough from the back of the phone. So we have the universal adapter, then the mirror mount we're gonna open to see what's inside, and highly recommended the vibration dampener. This is to protect your camera sensor and your focal sensor from the camera, because otherwise you risk to destroy your camera from the vibrations. I don't think this bike offers us so many vibrations, but still I prefer to buy this one and to protect in this way the camera, the phone's camera. There are multiple mounts available for riding the motorcycle, driving the car, or even running. You can see all of them here. And this versatile mounting system has multiple mounting configurations. It's only we need just a hex key, which is included in the package. Also suits bore sizes 10mm, 12, 14 and 16mm. And we're gonna open it, and this is the package with all the mounts. Here we have the main mount, the brackets, the hex key which is provided, and this 12, 14, 16mm mounts. This is the vibration dampener and the universal mount, which is already sticked to the case of the phone. For my Honda Vision, I'm gonna use the 10mm adapter here provided, the 10mm bracket. I think this is the most suitable for the mirror's arm. It fits quite nice here, and it will be attached quite nice with the next parts, these two, which will be mounted here. So very nice that they put the screws from the top, and you don't have to bother yourself screwing from the bottom up. And we're gonna take this one and we're gonna attach it here quite easily. And now it's time to place the vibration dampener. As you can see here, I had some suspension travel on the side to take over the bumps. Quite nice and quite quality made. There is a mounting here in the middle, and we need to attach it from the middle over here. With the provided hex key, you can screw the vibration dampener and attach it to the mirror mount. It's quite fixed over here, so you can attach it quite easily. by inserting the hex key inside over here, and then you take the mirror mount and you attach it to the vibration dampener by tightening up the middle screw. And this is the final result. Everything is attached quite firmly from the mirror's arm. Check it out also from this side. I will change a little bit the position as soon as I established the phone over there. What's left to do now is to place the phone on the mirror mount. This is done quite easily. This is it. Now the phone is placed in this position. It as you can see, the damper, it's working quite nice, and the phone, it's very stable. It has a free play from the dampers, which will allow this flexibility to the phone, but still it's very firmly attached to the mirror's arm. And from now on everything gets very easy. You just pull this one and then you can take it out without pressing anything. You can attach the phone, and if you want to move the phone to a different position, you just take it out and rotate it, and voila, you have this phone in another position. You just press here and everything goes out in both directions, also left and right. So without pressing, you can also go from the other side, and also from the other side it locks. So it's quite flexible, quite stable, and gives you access because you can change the angle. You can change the angle 360 from here. Also from here you have the space, and you have also a place to use the headlights, the high beam, for example. And also there is space between this dashboard and the phone. Yes, indeed, quad lock, quite an easy solution. It was not cheap. Don't think that everything was cheap. It was about this kit, what you see here, the universal mount, and all this bumper. They cost me around 70 euros. So 70 euros for this mirror mount, but it definitely worth it. I like how these dampers are working. They provide this movement and this suspension for the telephone, this dampener. Quite a good idea to have it. I will come back from time to time with feedback regarding this mirror mount. Until then, ride safe and see you soon. Bye bye.